Hello, my name is Brittany and I'm from Zimas. There are such situations when you need to delete a template. Today we will show you how to do it. Let's check it! The first variant, we go to Appearance to Themes. Click on the theme you would like to delete. Do not forget that the theme you want to delete must be deactivated as well. Click on Delete. Done. And the second variant, we go to WP Content, to Themes, choose the theme we want to delete, delete, confirm, check in. Yep, great, the theme was deleted. Hope it was helpful for you. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. More information you can find in the description below. See ya!